This is Pioneer's AVH-500EX. This is an in-dash AM/FM CD and DVD player with a 6.2-inch touchscreen. The AVH-500EX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is Sirius XM ready. The system has a full on-screen interface for both Spotify and Pandora, operating from your Android phone or from your iPhone. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. Get this open. All right, the first thing we see here is the wire harness. And the wire harness here plugs into the back of the receiver, and this connects power or ground and speakers and so forth to the vehicle. Next thing we have is the Bluetooth microphone. The Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free phone calls. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next we have some installation screws. There's some install screws. Here is the USB extension included in the box. Now, the USB extension here is because the USB port on this receiver is on the back of the in-dash receiver, and we'll use the USB extension to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next, we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card, and then we have the quick start guide. Remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right to your phone. Okay, let's get the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-500EX has the volume control right here. And the home key and display keys are here. The voice activation is here. Across the top is the CD and DVD slot, and the system reset button is right here. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-500EX has 2 blackjacks at the top. The one on the left is for the Bluetooth microphone included with the product. And the one on the right is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. Here is where you'll plug in the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And this is the dedicated port for the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB port, and please remember that we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. This is the audio and video auxiliary input, and the wire harness from the vehicle will plug in right here. On the other side, we have 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and sub output, or for better sound quality and system control, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port up here is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here we have audio and video RCA input and video output. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-500EX and what's in the box.